Like a cup of cheddar cheese when you're ready to serve it or something. So I put just a little in because I said to Roy, I says, how rich is it, you know? And I know Flossie had soup, I think it was vegetable soup, and there was like hardly any juice to it.
We did the eggs Benedict. You're not feeling sick of it?
No, not yet. They overcooked it. That's the first time I've had. I should have gone with the crepes because whoever cooked it cooked the egg too much.
That's supposed to be nice.
It should be runny, you know. You should have some runny yolk. And that didn't have it. It was almost like hard boiled.
Yeah, I tried because I never tried eggs Benedict. So he'd always order it and ate it. So I went with Mary Jane one time, like a couple months ago, and I said, I'm gonna try the eggs Benedict. They put sugar in it. It was nasty. I was like, this is what you guys like? And she tastes, she goes, no, they did something wrong.
Why would you put sugar?
That's what the guy put sugar in it. It tasted nasty. I was like, I've never, that's why when you said egg Benedict, I was like, I'm never trying to get it. Yeah, I had a bad experience with it. So I guess I'm, and then it looks like
It's just a holiday sauce. It's cream sauce, you know.
yeah, but they put sugar in that one and they tasted over.
Wow, they didn't know what they were doing.
I told him, like, he needs to read up on this, how to do it. This is not what I was expecting. Because I asked, I said, Mary Jane, is this supposed to be like this sweet? And then the lady goes, oh no. She went back to the kitchen, the guy said he put sugar in it. You're not supposed to put sugar in it. What the heck? They don't.
They have good crepes here. I like crepes because they're so thin, you know. And that round the clock is having a pancake fest. They had in the paper, I don't know what it is. It's $59 for pancakes or something. Or 59 cents. That's some kind of a special. Because it's their 50th anniversary of business. And they ordered like 5 boxes extra of pancake mix and everything. It's today, the 20th. I think it ends the 24th or something. All you can eat. Somebody ate like 28 pancakes. I guess we were having a contest. Won $100 for eating 28 pancakes.
I bet you Nathan would beat that, huh?
Probably.
You think it'd be 28 pancakes?
How big we talking?
I don't know how big it is. Probably like this one.
Yeah, still it's doable.
Because there's a guy on Facebook, his name's Garbage Disposal,
Uh-huh.
and he does all those challenges. He can eat stuff in like 5 minutes. Like, how can you not get sick doing that?
Yeah. Well, it's like the hot dogs, you know,
Yeah.
they have that every year, I think, in New York, you know.
How can you yeah, so Facebook to me, it's Garbage Disposal, and he has a guy. He's an older gentleman, but he's kind of heavy set. He almost looks like Big Ed. He looks like Big Ed. And he does the challenges with them. Like they did a
I don't know, maybe you stretch your stomach and, you know.
Like
I
if
want
you
my stomach to go in.
if you eat lettuce the night before, it actually expands your stomach. If,
Lettuce does?
yeah, if you eat like nothing like that the night before, it actually increases your capacity by a lot.
Wow.
That's what competitive eaters do sometimes.
Okay.
You see how smart he is?
Yeah. Well, it's like Big Ed. Him and his drinking, and he always drank a glass of milk before we went out to a party or whatever, because he was going to be drinking and getting drunk, and he never had a hangover. I used to pray, dear God, give him a hangover. And he never had a hangover. He was never sick. But I think the milk coated his stomach, and he never got sick.
That's Rogelio. Rogelio was there. Because he drank a lot. Because we went to the store, and I know he got paid, so, and he gave me my 300. So it wasn't like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
I
you
have to learn.
go to
That's
use
expensive.
it.
Yeah. So I don't have to fight for it. If
Right.
he gives it, that's the first thing he does. He gives me. So he pays. So he gives it to me here. Okay. So then he goes, well, with his other one, instead of putting in the bank like I told him to do, like you said, like that, he wants to go buy his beer and cigarettes.
Well, he don't drink hard liquor, though,
No.
right? Just beer.
Once in a great while, I've seen him do it. Like when we had a party one time at the house, he did around his birthday time, but it's not like a lot of like he just like, but he tries to hide it. It's like, why hide the shit on me? I know you do it.
What does
So,
Big Ed do?
hide too.
He'd go down in the basement. Well, every time he